Brush scattering and texture. In this lesson, we will learn about brush scattering and texture. Applying brush in such a way that the brush is scattered, scattering option is useful. Open the brush palette and move the slider in the scatter option to increase the scatter percentage. Generally, scattering takes place in y-axis. By selecting above both axis option, we can scatter the brush in both x and y axis. To increase the number of scatter particles, we can move the count option. If you don't want the count uniformly, choose the count jitter option. By this, we can get the count in a non-uniform pattern. To apply the brush strokes with a specific texture, texture option is used. We can browse different types of textures from the texture gallery. In this, different types of textures like artistic surfaces, color paper, grayscale paper, natural patterns, rock patterns are available. To change the size of the design grains or patterns, we can use scale option from the texture. By clicking invert option, we can make the texture pattern opposite. For setting one brush shape into another brush, we can make use of dual brush option. First, select a brush from the brush presets, then we can select any brush from the dual brush tab. By adjusting diameter, spacing, scattering, we can set a brush shape into another brush according to our choice.